Hola guys, kamusta? This is your amiga guapa Zambieka. It's already 10 p.m. I guess. No, it's 11 already. Oh my G. So I'm not sleeping yet because I am finishing the PowerPoint for the oral presentation tomorrow. An oral presentation is conducted when a project has been completed, meaning ipipresent nyo na yung results, conclusions, and ipipresent if the deliverables, the promised deliverables are accomplished or achieved. So I'll be doing that because yung oral presentation will be at 2 p.m. tomorrow. But in the morning, I will be taking you to Manila Yacht Club. Yes, we will be going there.
But it's not leisure, it's pure work.
The project that I am handling currently is associated with the organization, and that is why our council has been invited. My sector has been invited. So yeah, that's what's going to happen tomorrow, and I'll take you with me. But before I sleep, I need to finish this. So I'll be working and then sleep na, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
In 1969,
Julian is obtained said that a lot of research that has been developed.
The waste are becoming the new valuable resource.
Cheers! Cheers! Come on! Come on!
I know I still remember. You can't have gone away. Your face is all that matters. Oh, I'm alone in the sequence again. I know you still remember. You can't run away again. I wanna stop this false escape, but it's too late. I feel this is it. Oh, please help me conceive a new idea of you, a new idea of me inside this dream. A broken down old staircase, repeating pictures at ease, growing far from the new you, but closer to memories. It's not a bad new feeling, but it's tearing apart the inside of the streaming service. You stay at the front of my heart.
Yeah, one more. For this one. Thank you. Okay, one.
Help me conceive a new idea of you, a new idea of me inside this, or inside this dream.
What I see, dreaming with both eyes open. Memories on a factory belt, conveyed through the present to sometime when I dream again. In that brief period of darkness, without the light through which my eyes give.
break lang po muna or coffee break.